Is your hair constantly breaking, shedding, or looking dull no matter how many products you try? What if I told you that 3 simple, natural ingredients, mango butter, amla oil, and fenugreek powder, can work together to strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, and promote long, healthy growth? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make this powerful DIY hair butter and why it's a game changer for weak or damaged hair. Hair breakage and thinning are frustrating. You might see hair on your pillow every morning, or maybe your comb looks like it's carrying more hair than your head. For many people, it's not even about hair loss, it's about weak strands that split and snap before they can grow long. Chemical products, constant heat styling, and even stress can damage your hair structure. And instead of repairing, many commercial creams just coat your strands with silicone, giving a fake shine but no real strength. That's where natural remedies come in. With this butter, you're feeding your hair proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids that restore it from the inside out. Let's break down why this combination is so effective. Mango butter, rich in vitamins A and E, plus fatty acids, mango butter nourishes dry, brittle hair and restores elasticity. It's lighter than shea butter, so it won't weigh your hair down. Amla oil, known in Ayurveda as the king of hair growth oils. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen follicles, reduce premature graying, and keep your scalp healthy. Fenugreek powder. This is a protein powerhouse. Fenugreek seeds are packed with plant proteins and nicotinic acid, which strengthen the hair shaft, reduce shedding, and stimulate new growth. It's especially good for people dealing with postpartum hair loss or stress-related shedding. So, when you combine mango butter's softness, amla oil's strength, and fenugreek's proteins, you get a complete treatment that nourishes, strengthens, and stimulates. Here's how to make your mango butter, amla oil, and fenugreek hair butter. Start with half a cup of mango butter. If it's hard, cut it into small chunks for easier melting. Place it in a heat-safe bowl over hot water using the double boiler method. This preserves its nutrients while gently melting. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of amla oil and stir well. Now, slowly add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Mix thoroughly so it blends evenly. Let the mixture cool for 10 minutes, then whip it with a hand mixer until it turns creamy and fluffy. Transfer into a clean, airtight glass jar. Your nourishing hair butter is ready. To use, scoop a small amount and warm it between your palms. Massage it gently into your scalp for at least 5 minutes to improve circulation. Then, apply along your strands, focusing on the ends, which are most prone to dryness and breakage. Use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. If you have extremely dry or curly hair, you can also use it as a leave-in sealant on the ends after washing. Now, some quick cautions. Don't go overboard with fenugreek. Too much powder can make your butter gritty. Always strain your fenugreek powder before adding, to avoid lumps. And just like with any DIY product, do a patch test first, especially if you've never used amla oil before. It can sometimes cause mild irritation. Want to make this butter even more powerful? Add 5 drops of rosemary oil or peppermint oil for extra growth stimulation. Or, if your hair tends to be very dry, add a teaspoon of coconut oil to increase moisture retention. Store your butter in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 3 months. Just keep water away from it to prevent spoilage. So there you have it, your homemade mango butter, amla oil, and fenugreek hair butter. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger strands, reduced breakage, and healthier, shinier hair. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments if you'll be making this butter at home. And don't forget to subscribe to Skin and Health for more natural beauty recipes every week.